Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wonderpedia. I'm excited you're here to learn more about Santa and his adventures. Did you know there's more to Street Nick than just bringing gifts one night a year? This episode will explore some wow-worthy things about Mr. Claus that may surprise you, from his high-tech sleigh to what really happens at the North Pole. Get comfortable. We're diving into the magic in just 90 words to keep you on the edge of your seat. Lots to cover, so let's jump right in. I'll be chatting the whole time too, so feel free to ask questions. Enjoy the video. The North Pole Enigma. Unraveling Santa's secret hideout. You know, I still get chills remembering the first time I stumbled upon old St. Nick's secret workshop in the Arctic Circle. All those years wondering where this magical place was hidden. And then bam! One wintry night the Aurora Borealis itself shone the way. Let me tell you folks, nothing can prepare you for stepping into the quantum mechanical spirit of Christmas wonder that is the fabled North Pole. I'm talking self-building toy factories, mushroom coffee breaks and candy cane lanes, even an igloo rave scene courtesy of the head elf DJ Kringleton. And don't even get me started on the underground grottos and prototype sleigh labs. It's safe to say nothing feels impossible under the Northern Lights. Ever since that eye-opening expedition, I've been hooked on unraveling the mysteries within. So join your new elf pal as we explore this enchanting wonderland. And maybe, just maybe, I'll share a few trade secrets along the way. Santa's time-defying sleigh. How does he do it? You guys are not gonna believe what I'm about to tell you. Santa's sleigh is straight up magic. I'm serious. I mean, think about it. How else could the big guy hit every house worldwide in just one night? There's gotta be something extra special fueling that sleigh. I've heard rumors it's got a prototype engine and nitrous upgrade, but I did a little digging and found out the truth. Quantum physics is involved, folks. There's wormholes, parallel dimensions, all kinds of fifth-dimensional wizardry at play. I'm talking real back-to-the-future Marty McFly type shenanigans. So next time you're out caroling and look up to the stars, who knows, you might just catch a glimpse of Santa zooing through space and time. Only he knows how to fly, am I right? Reindeer Revelations, the real MVPs of Santa's team. Rudolph and the gang don't get enough credit if you ask me. Those reindeer are the real MVPs when it comes to making Christmas magic happen. I mean, think about the mileage they gotta log pulling Santa's heavy sleigh around the globe in a single night. That's no easy feat, my friends. But these reindeer have some awesome supernatural skills that give them a serious competitive edge, like Rudolph's famous red nose lighting the way through snowstorms. Did you know Dasher can run faster than the speed of sound? And Comet has these crazy anti-gravity hooves made of stardust. Even old Blitzen has super strength to push off from rooftops with one stomp of his hoof. So next time you chow down on Christmas cookies, spare a thought for Santa's elite squad of flying reindeer making your holiday dreams come true. We've got the best team in the world. And don't you forget it. Naughty or nice? The surprising truth about Santa's list. Elf ears up, everyone, cause this is one of Santa's most guarded secrets. I finally got Mrs. Claus to spill the beans on how old St. Nick really keeps track of who's naughty or nice. I always figured it was all about being good, but apparently the big man has a way more nuanced system. See, he doesn't just count up good and bad deeds. He peeks inside people's hearts to see their deepest desires to spread joy. Even if you mess up sometimes, as long as you try to make someone else's day, that's what really matters. I know, blew me away too. Guess we're all a little bit naughty, but as long as we mean well, there's presents under the tree. Now you know the real magic of Santa's list. The Santa Code, deciphering the language of jingle bells. All right, elves, gather round because this intel is strictly on the hush. You see, back in the old days when the workshop was just getting started, our main man Santa needed a secret way to communicate during the busy season. That's when the big guy cracked the code by designing our classic jingles to hold hidden messages in plain sight. Now let me tell ya, after decoding that first fa la 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 la, my little elf mind was absolutely blown. Did you know it actually translates directly to wrap it up in Christmas tongue? And don't even get me started on the real meaning behind those famous ho ho ho's. I've been itching to spill the beans on our Sonic Sleigh network for ages. Just promise not to rat me out to Frosty, or I'll be demoted to toy quality control for sure. What do you say we crack open the eggnog and I'll teach you a few phrases? A. Consider it your first lesson in festive espionage. Santa's fashion forward, the evolution of the iconic red suit. If you want a good laugh, just take a peek at some of old Kringle's early wardrobe choices. I'm telling you, back in the medieval times he was known to rock some wild looks. Lace cuffs, buckle booties, fluffy hats you wouldn't believe. But then one blizzardy December Eve, as the fire was flickering low, I think the old boy finally realized it was time for a glow-up. That's when he had his big eureka moment and designed the now iconic red suit we all know to be Christmas in a coat. Sleek, cheerful, and most importantly, machine washable. The rest, as they say, is history. Now, whenever I see that rosy red number flapping in the wind, it just fills me with festive cheer. Guess that's really what Santa style is all about, eh? Spreading a little simple snapshot joy year after year. And really, doesn't the man still look rather dashing if I do say so myself? The secrets behind Santa's sleigh and snacks. Ever find yourself wondering how Santa does the impossible every Christmas Eve? Well, pull up an elf stool, friends, because I've got some stories that will leave you scratching your head in the best way. Did you know the big guy uses the bizarre laws of quantum mechanics to squeeze down fireplaces? And about his discerning taste for the perfect cookie? Between his boundary-pushing North Pole tech skills and talent for finding buttery baked goods, there's no problem too big for Santa. That's why after all these years at the workshop, there's still so much I'm learning about the man behind the sleigh. The Santa effect, spreading joy and kindness worldwide. Do you ever think about all the goodness old Saint Nick spreads without even trying? Between the little acts of love, generosity, and community kindness that magically seem to pop up come Christmas, I think old Kris Kringle deserves a lot more credit than he gets. Under the big guy's twinkly influence, folks from all walks of life can't help but feel more friendly, hopeful, and open-hearted. There's just something about the festive spirit in the air that we all breathe in. Even those Grinches can't resist a smile. So whether he's leaving gifts under trees or inspiring acts of goodwill behind the scenes, Santa really is the world's best advocate for peace on earth. And ain't that the greatest gift of all? Well, friends, we're at the end of our amazing Santa adventure, but I hope you had as much fun learning as I did sharing. If you're still in disbelief over all things Claus, do me a favor, give this video a like, send it to others who need a Christmas pick-me-up, and subscribe for more fun. As I say goodbye for now, I hope your holiday sparkles with wonder just like our talk today. Happy holidays, and I can't wait to continue exploring the magic together. Be good, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.